So in this video, I'm going to show you a couple different examples of Vapi errors and make.com errors just so you can actually learn how to handle them correctly and fix your own workflows. Because most of the time, we run into those problems. It's just an automations thing, and a new error is always a better error. That's what I tell everyone. So I'm going to show you how to do this and actually handle these errors correctly. And you're probably wondering, who is this random guy? My name is John Joshin. I've helped over 50 different companies in a multitude of different industries, ranging from real estate to tree companies to franchise consultants and many more. And I'm going to show you exactly how we build our own automations and actually correct them so they handle errors correctly. So let's jump into a couple different errors, and I'm going to show you how to identify them and actually fix them. So one of the main errors that we see is some sort of mapping error, right? So we have this workflow, right? We have it activated, so we can just reactivate it real quick. It looks like it'd be working fine. Just for some more clarity, it saves totally fine, yada, yada, yada. It should work, right? But in reality, there's some errors to it. So if I right-click this, run module only, we see right here, you see these errors, invalid reference. It's like, okay, what's going on? Like, why is this not working, right? You get all these more errors, and you're like, uh-oh, what is happening? So if we read into this, we can actually find out why the validation failed. So one problem found. Invalid reference on filter right here. Contact does not exist. So if we scroll in, we can find contact exists. This looks like it's fine. It's actually filled in, it's blue, it's colored, right? Now if we click on this one's actually black. We're like, okay, why is it black? So if we copy this, paste it right here, we can see the actual identity of it. So we can see the numbers and everything. So that should be mapping to number 66 right here, right? So if we go into here and we change this to 66, Control A, Control C. Now I'm going to go back in. You see how that's blacked out? We're actually going to paste this in, and now it's blue. So that means we actually fixed that mapping reference. So that is now good to go. So let's test this. Let's see if we actually get any more errors. It looks like we did not get any errors, so that's good to go, right? Simple. That's how you fix one simple error. So now I'm going to show you how to handle errors on Vapi when making outbound calls. So if we go into here, let's test this. Let's see. It says a green check mark. It says it went and actually executed, but I don't see any calls. There's an issue there, right? So we can actually check the error log. So to check this error log and actually understand what's really going on here, we just look at this. So it says one error, assistant ID must be a UID, right? So we can go in here, check, say this assistant ID. Now let's double check this. So copy assistant ID. Let's try to paste this in. Oh, it looks like there was some sort of error there. So let's save. Now let's test this again. I don't see a success, status code 400. And it looks like I don't have another call either. So we're still waiting, right? So let's see. Now if we look in this error log, it says customer number must be a valid phone number in this format. You may be missing country code +1 or just some sort of formatting issue, right? So let's take a look. If we go in here and we check phone number, oh, yep, it looks like there's some sort of issue. So if we change this to there, that will fix it. So let's test this. And now we see we have a success request and we're getting a call. Let's make sure. Hello?
Hey, is this John?
Yeah, who are you?
Great, this is Josh. You filled out a form for franchise opportunity.
Just like that. That is a successful call. That's how to check through the error logs. So now let's say we want to mess this up even worse. Say we want to do this. Just throw one comma there. Let's check the error. Oh, the comma didn't break it. So let's see how we can mess this up. So if we just take out customer, let's see what happens. Complete error. Unexpected token at right here. So now let's check. Unexpected token. So we always have to check. Assistant ID. Overrides looks good. Variable values. We have all these variable values in here. Phone number ID. You can usually spot the error. So if I go back and I just paste this in here, that will actually fix the error. So we don't want a comma there. We want a comma there. Avoid that comma. And just like that, that'll fix it. Oh, token at C14.3. So let's check this. So maybe a comma there. And that's all it was. One comma fixed it. And as you can see, I'm getting another call. So you can always look at the errors, and you can see in this data point right here what the errors are and how to fix them, because it usually tells you a good description on all of that different information. So I hope this helped out. So if you want to learn how to avoid these errors, just so you don't even have to deal with them, then go into our school community and we have all the templates that you would possibly need for all of your different automations. So let's go through it. We have Go High Level Snapshots, Vapi Blueprints, the web snippet templates, so you can actually import the templates just for yourself and then customize them. We have a Stripe rebilling system to auto rebill on the minutes, different make automations that we've actually built out completely custom, different Vapi prompting templates for all the different industries that we have. We have knowledge base examples, we have SMS copywriting of our exact copy for like reactivation campaigns, and we have other YouTube video templates for all of the YouTube videos that we post on the channel. We're going to drop every single template that we have for those specific videos. So if you need this, join in, and the link is in the school community. Not just that, if you need any systems built out for yourself or for your clients, then definitely book a call below and we'll meet with you personally and see if we can actually help you build in that system.